Meaning of discerning.
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 Discerning. The word discerning refers to the ability to perceive or distinguish the subtle differences between things, often through keen observation or careful judgment. A discerning person is someone who is skilled at recognizing nuances and making thoughtful decisions based on their observations. They are able to identify and appreciate quality and value in various areas, such as art, literature, fashion, and food. Being discerning can lead to more informed choices and a deeper appreciation for the world around us.